From the NB3 Rock Studio headquarters, this is your Roar of 64 one-minute memoir with your host, James Potter.
Back in the day on Thanksgiving, after Mom and Dad would roast, baste, and serve the ceremonial turkey with all the fixings, they would prepare the annual Christmas fruitcake. This was a peculiar rite of passage for Mom and Dad because they soaked the cake in brandy, while religiously abstaining from alcohol since my birth. But that's another story. Anyway, the gathering of ingredients that included walnuts, green and red candy cherries, candy fruit, pineapple, and raisins was comparable to a sacerdotal function treated with religious fervor and devotion. They affectionately mixed the constituents in a dark, beige, gooey batter, then baked the concoction until it was chestnut brown. Carefully wrapping the dessert in cheesecloth, they liberally soaked the veil with a small bottle of brandy. Like incense in a cathedral, its fragrance permeated every nook and cranny of the Potter home. This act was performed in almost utter silence, save a few choice incantations. After baptizing the pastry, out comes the Reynolds wrap that shrouds the delicacy, followed by entombing it in Mom's large double pot boiler. I nearly expected them to genuflect in front of the gargantuan confection before locking it away in the bowels of the kitchen's tabernacle cupboard, occupying residency with the canned goods. From that day till Christmas Eve, the hallowed fruitcake would ferment until resurrected, shedding its garments to the delight of my giddy parents. "Whoa, there's enough alcohol in that cake to burn a hole in your gut," proclaimed my sister Kathy, who oddly loved fruitcake. "That's a colon cleanser," teased my brother Koch. "You know, if you slice that at a certain angle," I offered, "you could use that as a wedge to prop open the front door." "You're all a bunch of heathens," cried Dad, bearing a wild grin. "You go to your church, and I'll go to mine." Of course. And that is your Roar of 64 one-minute memoir. For this Thursday, August 11th, 2016, I'm James Potter reporting from the NB3 Rock Studios. I hope to see you again. Until then, journey to the center of the 60s at roarof64.com or nb3rocks.com. Either way, you can get there from here.